Hey friends, if you wish to increase the upload and download speed on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to close unnecessary apps and tabs. Okay, so let us say that we have opened a lot of unnecessary tabs and they are consuming a lot of system resources. Simply close all of them, or here's my suggestion, just close the browser, then reopen it and only access the tab that you need to, only access the work that you need to do at that point of time. The next solution is to disable background apps, and I'll tell you the right way to do it. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now go to the Startup Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Okay, select status so that you arrange all of them by status enabled. Then find all unnecessary apps that you do not need at that point of time. Right click on them and make sure that they are disabled. Okay, so let's say that Microsoft Edge is not required at startup, so disable it, because if you don't, then they will run in the background and consume significant network resources. After this, we suggest you to use a wired connection, preferably over a wireless connection, because when you use a wireless connection, even if you're close to the router, it will still slow down the natural speed a little bit. And then the last one is to use Google's DNS. Now I'll explain the procedure for this. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection, select properties, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses. The preferred one will be 8.8.8.8. The alternate one will be 8.8.4.4. Hit enter, click on OK, and restart your computer. The problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.